As expected, our first tropical depression of the season has formed just east of Florida, likely to become our first named storm of the season during the day on Tuesday. It would be called Arthur. The system developed Monday night about 80-90 miles east of Vero Beach. It's drifting to the west, expected to make a turn to the north sometime during the day on Tuesday, and then parallel the coast, possibly strengthen a bit, and then move a little further out to sea and up toward the Carolinas by the 4th of July. And it'll be a much stronger system, we think, by then, thanks to an environment that's supportive of a developing tropical system here. So we're going to watch closely when it makes that turn to the north, because that cone of uncertainty does include central and northeast Florida, and some of the model data suggests it may turn a little later. Other models suggest it's going to turn quickly. My take is that it will actually probably hug the coast quite a bit and really look like it's going to make landfall here in northeast Florida, and then that trough of low pressure will approach and pull it out to sea. There's been a lot of dry air on the north side. That's the satellite underneath the model data. These thunderstorms that have been on the south side of the center, eventually they'll wrap around, and that's why the system will strengthen, I think, Tuesday night into Wednesday. Tropical storm watches for inland counties, warnings for coastal regions from Flagler Beach down to just north of West Palm Beach. And here's a look at the wind fields with this system on Wind Tracker. Notice the heaviest winds are going to be, of course, as typical on the eastern side, so I'm not expecting a significant wind impact from this system along the coast, but the seas will get rough. There'll certainly be a rip current risk, and then look, near hurricane force winds when it's east and southeast of Charleston on Thursday. This is one particular forecast model. Biggest concern, I think, here in Florida, especially for inland areas, a lot of rain, and it's going to occur over 2 or 3 days with some squally weather, possible water spouts along the coastlines, and in general 2 to 5 inches for the eastern half of the peninsula. Locally higher amounts, though, are possible if the storm moves a little further west. Stay tuned.